fellow nerds, Motor City Games here with an Outlaws of Thunder Junction pre-release box opening. Will we find the loot, or will it just be fool's gold? Let's find out. Anywho, now that I got that out of the way, here's my prospector voice. Let's open this. Yeehaw! I haven't bought Magic in quite a while. But since this is their 100th set, I figured I would give it a shot. There we go. Wonder Elixir. Snook Apprentice style Halo. We got the tokens that you punch out. We got the deck box. I know the murders at Karlov Manor had some special clues and stuff on there because it was like a murder set. But Thunder in the Streets, there we go. Stagecoach attacked and blah blah blah. There's the big bad Oko, whose son is tracking him down in this storyline. So, let's take a look. Artwork, standard box. Such a satisfying sound. I wish when you opened it, it would go like, ay-ya-ya! But I digress. Let's take a look. So, whoop. There's the box. Here is the spin down die with the stylized cowboy hat. And there's that and that. So, inside, you get your little, there is Tiny Bones, the little thief guy. How to build your pre-release deck, which I have not participated in. Here's a divider in a pre-release event or actual tournament in a long time. There we go. Kellen joins up. Oko's son. And these are the new play boosters that have only been out 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 that have only been out for the last 2 sets. So let's get to cracking here. Oh, so these ones that have the art, this one's on the back. Okay, there we go. A dragon breathing fire on a train. Desperate Bloodseeker. Lone Shark. Vengeful Townsfolk. Trick Shot. Mirage Mesa. Yeah, Deserts made a big comeback in this set. So, of course, it'd be fun to make a sand and desert deck and use all my Arabian Nights deserts. There we go. Hell to Pay. Oh, here is the Savage Smash. This from the Breaking News. And here is a Gila Courser, my foil, with an island. Looks more like a fountain, but I digress. And this originally, the Big Score little mini set was going to be an Aftermath set like they did for March of the Machine, the Aftermath. But that completely tanked and the fans rejected it, so they just put them in here as little bonus cards. There we go. Tiny Bones joins up. When Tiny Bones joins up Alright. World Waker. Oh, Mythic. And this is from that, just what I was talking about, the Big Score. So this is map token. So this is part of the loot from the vault there. A group of... Oh, there we go. Exile. That's a nice Path to Exile. Rare. Another rare foil. That's a nice pack I got going on here in the mountain. And a varmint. But you have a team of outlaws getting together to hunt for a vault filled with treasure and loot. Sounds Borderlands-rific, does it not? There we go. Wolverines! Yep, they have saddle. So you can now mount up your creatures and characters and gold. Cactus folk. Walking cacti. Should have a killer cacti, like in the song for Hey Dude. Spire Bluff Canal, a rare. Nice. I hope I can get... Oh, there's a fling. Sacrifice creature. Ooh, Oasis Gardener foil. Interesting. Strange artwork. But, oh, it's a scarecrow. There we go. And there is a common land and a treasure token. Oh, another art. Yeah, these play boosters are mix. Oh, that's cool artwork. Definitely looks like a cover of a Zane Grey novel. Steer clear. Throw from the saddle. That's funny. Shifting Grift. Boombox. Great Train Heist. Rare and Tornado. Destroy target creature with flying. Today's forecast. Thorny. And Overzealous Muscle. The mountain. I do like how they, although it does make me think of AI, which we know Wizards of the Coast has been caught using, but I do like how they use the artwork to simulate the mana symbol there. Oh, what is this weird thing? Voted most likely to bring back banding. And here's a QR code, which interesting. I don't know what the heck this vampire rogue. Well, why not bring back banding? It was a big thing when I started. I've yet to see anything that jumps out like, oh, I got to put this in my deck. But there's another land. Esoteric Duplicator. Create a token that's a copy. Nice. Use that with a Time Vault. Ooh. Humiliate. And Mourner's Surprise for a foil. Oh, and there's... Oh, that's right. These deserts that they are super populating to get people to play desert. And the last pack from Outlaws of Thunder Junction. Yeah. Oh yeah, let's look at the art. Oh, that's pretty wicked. Like a flying homerid lobster kind of guy. Akul the Unrepentant is what it says. Beautiful art. Bring back the Atog. Spring Splasher. Ooh, again, something from Fallout there. Vial Smasher. Betrayal at the Vault. There we go from the story. When you crack it open and find out that Loot is actually a character named Loot, which is just asinine. Splitter of Seconds. That many additional upkeep steps after this phase. Interesting. Journey to Nowhere. That's what I should call my autobiography. And Wolverine. And oh, here you go, the forest. See, it's the forest symbol. Whoa, that's pretty cool. So, thanks for watching, and I hope y'all have a great day. Yeehaw!
Boom, 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 boom.